你好, I'm Jingyu. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about household appliances words and phrases in Chinese. Okay, let's begin. 冰箱 refrigerator. 冰箱 冰箱 There's food in the refrigerator. 冰箱里有吃的。冰箱里 in the refrigerator 有吃的。There's food. 冰箱里有吃的。冰箱里有吃的。There's food in the refrigerator. 电视 television 电视电视 I bought a new television. 我买了一台新电视。我买了 I bought 一台新电视 A new television. 我买了一台新电视。我买了一台新电视。I bought a new television. 空调 air conditioner. 空调空调 People can't live without air conditioner in summer. 人们夏天离不开空调。人们 people 夏天 in summer 离不开 can't live without 空调 air conditioner 人们夏天离不开空调。人们夏天离不开空调。People can't live without air conditioner in summer. 风扇 fan 风扇风扇 I plan to buy a fan online. 我打算在网上买一个风扇。我打算 I plan 在网上 online 买一个风扇 buy a fan 我打算在网上买一个风扇。我打算在网上买一个风扇。I plan to buy a fan online. 烤箱 oven 烤箱烤箱 I'm baking a cake in the oven. 我在烤箱里烤蛋糕。我 I 在烤箱里 in the oven 烤蛋糕 baking a cake 我在烤箱里烤蛋糕。我在烤箱里烤蛋糕。I'm baking a cake in the oven. 微波炉 microwave 微波炉微波炉 There's milk in the microwave. 微波炉里有牛奶。微波炉里 in the microwave 有牛奶。There's milk. 微波炉里有牛奶。微波炉里有牛奶。There's milk in the microwave. 咖啡机 coffee machine. 咖啡机咖啡机 Every morning I brew coffee with the coffee machine. 每天早上我用咖啡机泡咖啡。每天早上 Every morning 我 I 用咖啡机 with the coffee machine 泡咖啡 brew coffee 每天早上我用咖啡机泡咖啡。每天早上我用咖啡机泡咖啡。Every morning I brew coffee with the coffee machine. 电饭煲 rice cooker. 电饭煲电饭煲 The rice cooker can make delicious rice. 电饭煲能煮出美味的米饭。电饭煲 The rice cooker 能煮出 can make 美味的米饭 delicious rice 电饭煲能煮出美味的米饭。电饭煲能煮出美味的米饭。The rice cooker can make delicious rice. 榨汁机 juicer. 榨汁机榨汁机 How much is this juicer? 这台榨汁机多少钱？这台榨汁机 This juicer 多少钱？ How much? 这台榨汁机多少钱？这台榨汁机多少钱？ How much is this juicer? 洗衣机 washing machine. 洗衣机洗衣机 My washing machine is broken. 我的洗衣机坏了。我的洗衣机 My washing machine 坏了 broken 我的洗衣机坏了。我的洗衣机坏了。My washing machine is broken. 吸尘器 vacuum cleaner. 吸尘器吸尘器 It's very convenient to clean the room with a vacuum cleaner. 用吸尘器打扫房间很方便。用吸尘器 with a vacuum cleaner 打扫房间 clean the room 很方便 very convenient 用吸尘器打扫房间很方便用吸尘器打扫房间很方便 It's very convenient to clean the room with a vacuum cleaner. 投影仪 projector 投影仪投影仪 Which brand of projector is better? 什么牌子的投影仪比较好？什么牌子的 Which brand? 投影仪 projector 比较好 better 什么牌子的投影仪比较好？什么牌子的投影仪比较好？ Which brand of projector is better? 热水器 water heater 热水器热水器 Turn up the temperature of the water heater a bit 把热水器的温度调高一些把 is a preposition means to take, dispose of, or cause 热水器的 the water heater 温度调高 turn up the temperature 一些 a bit 把热水器的温度调高一些把热水器的温度调高一些 Turn up the temperature of the water heater a bit 饮水机 water dispenser 饮水机饮水机 There's no water left in the water dispenser 饮水机里没有水了饮水机里 in the water dispenser 没有水了 There's no water left 饮水机里没有水了饮水机里没有水了 There's no water left in the water dispenser. Okay, that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, feel free to leave your comments and likes. I will continue to update. 再见。